Hey y'all, my name is LaShay, and in today's video we are going to be trying the Elegance Vitamin Gel. I don't know how long this has been on the market, but I saw my girl Tam use this in one of her videos and I said I gotta try it. Now she did warn me about the stronghold, so I'm going in with my Mono's Hair Smoothing Pudding to act as my leave-in. This is a very moisturizing product, and I did do the mixing test to make sure these two products were compatible together, and they are, so we're good to go. Starting in the back, I parted off my first row of hair, and I'm going straight in. The consistency is very unique. The texture is almost like cottage cheese. Weird. Anyways, but the initial application to my hair was wild. I have absolutely no curl. It almost has my hair looking heat damaged. Oh wow. Where are my curls? Huh? I'm actually kind of scared. I'm scared. It's so weird. It's not sticky. It's kind of moisturizing. What? Okay. This was not supposed to be a talk through video, but you guys, I don't know what sorcery is going on. I have never in my life. I've just never. I'm scared. Shoot. Should I add water? And I'm using such a small amount. Do y'all hear those birds? Like, calm down. I don't think I was ready. Tam, this is, am I doing it right? It's like my brain is so confused, but I'm so intrigued to keep going. What was that grease called? It's giving blue magic. It doesn't feel like gel. This is definitely gonna be a voiceover because I don't have any words right now. Okay, as you can see, my hair is so weighed down, it literally looks like I have straight hair. But besides that, the application is going fairly smooth. The gel has slip, so I'm easily gliding it down the length of my hair. It's not fighting with my strands, so shingling is a breeze. And there's no harsh smell, so we're good to go there. Next, this Elegance Vitamin Gel is not that bad of a price. I purchased mine on Amazon for $13.86, and you get about 16.9 ounces. That's not bad at all. Plus, a little goes a long way. But as I'm wrapping this up, my hair is still straight. Looking back, I would have definitely added more water to my hair just to kind of dilute the product so my hair wasn't so weighed down. So I'm gonna start scrunching for my life. I need to manually activate these curls because I don't want my hair to start drying straight. But once I'm done scrunching, I'll sit under the hooded dryer for about 30 to 40 minutes and I'll be back to style. Okay, we are back, you guys, and this is my hair. There is an extreme cast on my hair right now. You know what it reminds me of? Do y'all remember when Wetline Extreme first hit the market and it got really popular? I think it had like a green top. They now have the green top, but before it looked different, and I think the name was even a little bit different, but the cast was so strong. That's what this is giving. I feel like I just have a whole bunch of sticks in my head. I'm gonna try to break the cast. I'm gonna use just random serum, and we're just gonna squeeze out the crunch. Yep, that's what I thought. So you can't squeeze out the crunch. Okay. I think I finally met my match. I am a sucker for a gel cast. I look for it. I need it in my life. But this may be the first time I've gotten a cast and I don't need all of this. My hair is extremely weighed down to the point where it looks like I have 3 strands of hair. I would say for sure, go in with some water. I usually like to apply product on damp hair. No, drench your hair because you need it. You need some type of fight back because, But can we say the definition is there? This is definitely like 4B, 4C friendly. I can't wait to use this on my husband. Your hair is gonna last. It's gonna last the entire month. It will last the entire month because, girl, what? Tam, I don't think I was ready, girl. I was not ready. Alright, you guys, and this is my hair 5 days later. As you can see, some of that cast did break, so I do have movement now. It's not as stiff. I don't feel like I have sticks in my head. It is very, very nice. The definition is insane. The shine is there. And overall, this is just such a successful wash and go. Highly, highly, highly recommend. Again, this is great for the 4A, 4B, 4C girlies. And let's cut to the outro. Alright, you guys, I am back, and whew, that was a roller coaster, wasn't it? But I have to say, I really enjoyed this product. It is so different. It really threw me for a loop, but you know what? My hair looks great. The definition is there. The hold is definitely there. The shine is there. And y'all, if y'all want a little bit of length as well, because you know shrinkage is so real, you're also gonna get that as well. So I am very pleased with the results of this product. It took me a while to get to this conclusion. I am not gonna lie to you, but the proof is in the pudding. I cannot deny how beautiful my hair turned out. But yes, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Tam, thank you so much, girl, for sharing this with us and not gatekeeping. I will have her video down below, so please check it out. She is absolutely amazing. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, my name is LaShay, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.